So this is it, guys. I'm going for the USD CAD, and I went for a sell, as you can see right here. I hope it doesn't blow my account here. Let's see. I'm selling, guys. Let me just take his smoke a little bit. Let me just take it out. Just see. Okay, it's 14:29. Let's just wait for past. But it should go down. It should go down. Mr. L. Sequeza on the block. Mr. L. Sequeza. Let's just see what this $25. Let's just see what's going to happen. It's almost past, guys. Yes. Swine. Send her.
Yo, what up, guys? It's your main man, Bozo Basics, aka the Wall Street Skateboarder. Yo, guys, in this video, we're gonna be talking about risk management. Stay tuned for some nuggets. Yeah, guys, so what's risk management? That's the first point there. What is it? Like, what is risk management? It's the forecasting and valuation of financial risks together with the identification of procedures to avoid or minimize their impact. Blah 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 blah. I got that one from Google. So simply put, in my own words, it's the planning of how much you're going to be risking on a single trade. This is done in order to avoid account devastation, blowing off accounts by risking too much, over trading, over leveraging or over risking, whatever you call it, but it's over risking basically. So much should you trade? How much? How much, bruh? I would advise you guys to start with the recommended 1 to 2%. I still use that. The recommended 1 to 2%. Why? Because let me hop onto the calculator real quick to show you guys why you must risk 1 to 2%. Oh, sorry. Try to hop on calculator. I had it up earlier. So the point here, let's make an example. Let's say you have $100, and there's two traders here. Let's say there's two traders here, right? They both have $100, but one is risking 20% and the other is risking 2%. And let's say you experience a period of drawdown, maybe of 4 trades. That means you lose you lose 4 trades, right? So that means you're gonna lose $2 each trade. 4 trades, you're gonna lose 8 trades. $8. So you're gonna be negative by by $8. So you're gonna be down. You're gonna be at $92. So you're gonna be down by $8, and you're gonna be on 92. Where else someone who's trading 20% is gonna be down for trades $80, bro. $80. So this person can blow their account real quick, and they're not giving themselves a chance to stay in the game longer. So this is why it's not advisable to do high risk trading, because you're not trying to stay in the game longer. You are gambling, trying to flip. So yeah, that's why push 2%. Let's get to the next point. The next point there is the benefits of risk management. What are the benefits of risk management? Basically, like you're gonna have clear picture of your goals. You'll have a 360 overview of your trading goals, so you're gonna know what you want, because you know how much you're willing to lose, you see. So next we have you won't be surprised with your results. Like, you won't out of the blue take a big loss, take big profits. That can happen, but you won't be surprised, So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for some more little videos. Like and subscribe. Hop into the comment sections and drop a comment. I'll be posting some more little content. Like, I'll be posting some skate videos. Gonna be running up on the skateboard soon. I've been in a young injury, so I've been just recovering. So yeah, gonna be posting for some skate content for my skate homies out there. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Peace, trade, travel, skate. I hope you liked the video.